Officers responded to a trespassing complaint at a hotel where the hotel manager reported that a woman had repeatedly returned to the property after causing a verbal disturbance.
And she was still showing she still had a room here, which I was supposed to check her out and I didn't. And by the time the police officers came, she already left to where we couldn't trespass her. So I was told whenever she does come back on property, trespass her.
How long has she been here?
I don't know. We just found out today she's in that room.
How long has she been a guest here?
She was here for about a week.
Just a week, nothing longer than a week.
No. And then she disappeared for a couple of days and now she's back. And so she's back in the same room because her room is still in the system. But she paid up for 2 weeks. But I was supposed to check her out whenever it happened last week.
She had 22 with Damien, the property manager, and he didn't want her to come back here ever again, told her to come back here ever again. She forgot, didn't pull out the system, or he got back into his room. She's technically supposed to be here, and the room paid for it. They want her 85.
Okay. So.
They let her know that
But if they want her 85, are they gonna do the reimbursement for
yeah,
the room and stuff?
her, right?
Yes.
For her money,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
They want her to leave the hotel. She's trespassed.
Down the hall, last door.
They want
Or
to
the first
trespass
door
her,
is a single
give her
bathroom.
her money back.
Yeah.
And she can't go to my hotel either.
Yeah. Oh, because she trespassed from there as well.
Remington, yep, all connected. That's
Oh,
what
okay.
she say. All connected.
Oval, Remington, and this one across the street is all
I
connected.
don't think that's there. No, they have Opal and Altamonte.
Oh, okay, they're all connected. They're both connected.
We did find out she was a do not rent before she got checked
Oh,
in.
Jesus.
Yeah, they
Okay.
checked her in.
Switched
Yeah,
her last time.
Yeah, Grandma.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, she was on the do not rent list and she ended up sneaking by because her last name changed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where's one of the
Do you have her DL on file?
So just go
No.
straight.
facing the pool or
No.
facing the roadway here?
Yep, right there, by the stairs.
Oh, right here then.
Yep,
We
right
can get
down
from the outside.
Yep,
Yeah.
downstairs.
Okay. You don't have nothing on file for her? Her driver's license or anything like that?
No, we just recently started doing IDs here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we
But
don't
we
know
have
how.
the number. That's how we
Her
knew.
driver's license number?
Yeah.
Yes.
We can run that.
It should
You
be
hang
on.
on to this. We can't open it if you guys are with us. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can have one. Her Florida driver's license is.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go to run her real quick.
122, right?
111.
111. Oh, wrong person. 111.
Hold on. I'm gonna run her real quick.
Got it.
Yeah. Her name is. No Florida deal. Her name is.
You
No
need to
Florida.
tell her. She's not to, has
Yeah.
to go.
111.
Not Argentina.
They said right upstairs. 111.
Downstairs.
Right here. Altamonte Springs Police Department. Why they didn't come with us for the key? Huh? Can we see if we can do everything?
11.
Y'all can get the key.
Yeah, we know.
11. Can you ask for a key? Have them bring a key out here?
I'll ask them for you.
They know they're supposed to come though. Oh no.
Police department. Do we know if she's on?
Yeah, we all know.
Why they want to
Yeah.
When you got off shift, we took it. We didn't take that guy to jail.
I didn't see the report.
Well, so we came out there 3 times. And they were letting us out. He didn't get out. It's the mall that.
Okay. So it should be like a 1080, like the 88. This is what?
We got nothing here. This is our 1080. We don't need anyway.
Okay.
I'm gonna call it on the radio.
Okay. I'm going to open.
Police department!
I already open. Is this the right one?
Police department!
Somebody's in there.
You see him?
There's a lock on the door. Somebody's in there. There's a lock
Police
on the door.
department, come on, come to the door.
Yeah.
Police department.
Yeah, somebody in there because you have that lock on the door. Somebody's in there.
Police department, come open the door so we don't have to open ourselves. Grab those keys. But that's that lock right there.
Yeah.
Don't reach in it. I don't know what the keys are. Hey, you got a lock on the deadbolt. There's a lock
On the deadbolt.
Come on now, mother. Did you sign that?
Yeah.
Let me go get something. She's saying
Management.
What the fuck is going?
You got to get something to pray open.
Yeah, there's a chance if you guys want to bust it up, it's not enough for us to bust the door, but like I said, she's got a lock on
We're
that.
going to open the door and then we're going to pry that thing out.
Okay. Sounds good.
So let me get a key for this here, one in there.
And she just, I just need to clarify here. This is not, she doesn't, How long has she been staying here?
They said that she been staying here for a week. For a week that she been staying here.
Okay. I just want to make sure there's no like.
But she been
thing
paid
going
up.
on
She been
here.
paid up for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Well, she's only been here for a week.
There's
Right.
no residency issues or anything like
No.
that, right? She's not like doesn't need to be evicted or anything like that.
No,
Okay.
from what?
So
Yeah,
At this point, it's a she needs to be.
you trespass. Yeah.
But she's not breaking and entering either, so it's not like she's under arrest.
No.
Okay. Just making
Yeah. I guess from what the management said that she was supposed to tell her to leave, but she forgot to take her out of the system. So now they said that if she returned back, to do it 85. So now she's back here again. No, I got it.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's one thing we can't do. Once the store is open again, we're gonna charge you Christmas.
You know who this is?
Yeah, she's asking for a
Rosetta.
This is your formal warning. You are being trespassed. If you don't come outside, we're going to come inside and take you to jail. Do you understand me? Open the door. We're not playing with you. Rosetta, come to the door right now. Open this door.
You want me to open the lock, sir?
What was that?
Did you just throw something at me?
What was that?
To the penny.
Rosetta, if you throw something, I'm going to bust this door down and you're going to jail. Do you understand me? Yeah. Oh, wait, hold up. You guys want to? Yeah, she's going to jail for battery on LAR now, so.
Hey, open the door, man. Go in there, man. Don't open that part. I don't want you to tear the door up.
Just be careful in case you got a knife or something, so. Everybody be smart.
Open the door, man.
Hey, give us traffic. Give us traffic as well.
15. Give us traffic. I'm having my taser out. This door is a lock up top.
I know.
There you go.
It is what it is. She's going right now, so.
She's right. Yo, you have something right. She have a TV right there. Be careful.
Down.
Put the TV down. Put the TV down right now.
Hey, get
I will tase the out of you.
Anybody got ball cutters?
Sit that top block.
Hey,
Yeah.
How do you get that top block? Hey, you got the.
Watch your hand.
Well, yeah.
bring the thing, man.
That screwdriver not gonna pop it up.
Yeah, it's gonna pop it.
Watch your hands, though. Watch your hands.
And once you pop that up, there it goes.
Hey! Come on here with your hands up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Step down. Step down. You threw a penny at him, first of all. Are you throwing at him? Put your hand behind your back.
Down. Down. Now.
Get down on the ground.
Down.
Stop.
Let me show her.
Creep up.
Here. You got him?
All right, stick your hand here.
Got it?
I'm gonna zip. Let's go.
You got anything to talk to me about?
I need all my stuff. Like my, don't worry about that. You should have came out when we told you to.
Oh, what?
You should have told me came to. Not anymore. Not anymore.
Whoa.
I want my Quran. I want my Bible. You stand right here, I'm going to search it. Really? Yep. All this could have been avoided. Is there anything on you I should be worried about that's gonna poke or stick me?
I need to get my legs on too.
Is there anything I should be worried about that's gonna poke or stick me? All right, if I find anything on you, that's not gonna be an additional charge.
Yet, goddamn, I know I'm fine.
No, shut up.
Step back. You in the car?
Tie up my pants?
Say it again?
You gonna tie up my pants?
Look at me.
You gonna tie up my pants?
No, I'm not.
Waddish was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and trespassing.